Cincinnati inspires my work. Being a visual artist, the location where I am and the visuals around me are very important to me. Sports has always been the big thing in Cincinnati. And I just love doing sports, watching sports, and eventually shaped my artwork. A good statue should have a sense of movement and life. Sports just seems to be the ideal subject. Pretty much every element of my sculptures are made in Ohio. Just the materials, the steel, the people involved in the design, all in Ohio. My latest sculpture depicts Pete Rose in his classic headfirst slide. A lot of the fans can run around the bases, pretend they're like a base runner. See, we Cincinnatians are not fair weather fans. We love our teams and we're very loyal to them. Yeah, I lived here all my life. Born and grew up here. Being in Ohio and being around all this manufacturing and people making things, everything's hands-on. I had this yearning to create art that people can use.